This video is for Chinese 202 Lesson 5 and we're talking about resultative complements. The use of resultative complements is an essential feature of the Chinese language. Resultative complements are generally necessary as long as an action produces a certain result. So, for example, we can say the action of 写字, writing characters, and if you accidentally wrote it wrong, so the action of 写字, but you wrote it wrong, could be changed to 写错字. I wrote the character wrong. Another example, the action of 洗衣服, washing your clothes, and the result of washing clothes is that they usually become clean. So 洗干净衣服, washing your clothes to clean them, basically. There are 3 types of resultative complements. The first one is complements that relate to the verb and provide additional information. So, for example, 4. 我傍晚家就去购物中心买日用品. I'll go get some household necessities at the shopping center as soon as I finish moving. And here we see that the result 1 sort of describes moving, so he finished moving. For example 5, 下学期的课你选好了吗? Have you finished selecting classes for next semester? And here we see that the resultative complement 好 is describing the action of choosing classes, 选课. So here the verb, for example 5, 下学期的课你选好了吗? Have you finished selecting classes for next semester? And here we have the resultative complement 好, sort of describing the verb 选. So here 好 sort of indicates like properly choosing classes, properly finishing the action of choosing classes. So 下学期的课你选好了吗? The second type of resultative complements are the ones that indicate impacts on or changes in the person who carried out the action. So for example 6, 老师说的话我听懂了. I understood what the teacher said. And more literally, the translation would be, my listening resulted in my understanding. For example 7, 张教授写文章写累了. Professor Zhang was tired from writing articles. And more literally, Professor Zhang wrote and he became tired. So here we sort of have a action happening, 听 or 写文章, and then the result of it. So if you're listening, you understand, 听懂. If you're writing, you become tired, 写累. The third and last type of resultative complements is the one that relates to the object that describes an impact on or change in the person. For example 8, 你怎么把姐姐打哭了? Why did you hit your sister and make her cry? Or more literally, you hit your older sister started to cry. For example 9, 他搬走了一把椅子. He took away a chair. He moved the chair is now gone. And we see the action 打 and then the result, crying. The action 搬, the result, moving away kind of. So yeah, resultative complements might be a little bit hard to get the hang of in the beginning. However, just make sure to follow the structure of subject plus verb plus resultative complement, and then up to you plus object.